you know what today is? Do you know what today is? No. Do you know what today is? You know what today is? So fun. Okay, by the way, do you know what today is? What's up, man?
Someone's vlogging.
Hey, what's up, man? Wait, one question. Do you know what today is?
Today is the reincarnation of Jerry.
What? No. It's Malaysia Day. Oh, I'm just kidding.
Rob, you're kidding.
Hey, so dude, how's your SOS video? Like he just released a short film yesterday.
Guys, have to watch it. Go watch it, okay?
Links in the description.
It's about. Hey, what? No, I mean, just a brief, what do you call it? Brief summary of the story. It's basically about the culling issue recently. About the poor puppies and the doggies.
And how the video is doing now?
That's about it. Go watch it and you know.
You got a lot of views?
It's alright. You need more love though. Like, a lot more love. Give me more views, guys! It'll be quite late because when I got home.
That's a big package, bro. Can you handle it?
What?
Can you handle the big package?
Yeah, man, like it big. Yeah, big stuff it.
Oh, dude.
Hey,
So what's this for?
we're gonna get drunk tonight.
Woo!
Gonna get lit. Gonna get lit.
Stop humping the box,
Gonna
bro.
get lit. Make it more lit. Oh, cosmetic. Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Lit.
So tonight we're gonna get drunk with apple cider. Is it? Yeah, apple cider. What's this? 这个才喝过的啊，这个。
喝过。
So today is not Malaysia Day. I mean, if you're watching this, it's in Malaysia Day, but today is not Malaysia Day. I mean, today. What am I even saying? The fuck? You know my reason for making this video is not to attract any attention. I mean, in a way, it's also attracting attention.
God damn it, Jerry, make up your mind.
God damn it!
You want to attract attention or not attract attention?
Shut up, man. I'm recording.
You guys want to see some boobies?
No, because for me, it's like in kuching, there's no hype lah. There's no hype for Malaysia Day, you know. It's like when I go around town just now, like boobies. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! There's some clickbait over there.
Okay, that's enough, guys.
Like when I go around town, for example, I don't really see a lot of flags or anything. Like there's no reminder of tomorrow is Malaysia Day. Like for example, like on my phone and social media, I don't really see the hype and everything. So I'm not complaining anything. It's just that I just don't feel the hype. I feel like tomorrow is just Sunday, and for me as a Malaysian, I don't really remember that tomorrow is Malaysia Day. I just realized like, oh, tomorrow is Malaysia Day, huh? And I go and Google up, and oh yeah, tomorrow. And Google reminded me that tomorrow is Malaysia Day. I said Malaysia Day a lot of times. That's what I'm thinking. Like, do we even care about Malaysia Day, or do we not? And so that's one of the reasons why I asked you what today is. Do you know what today is? Like seriously, do you know what today is? Okay, enough of the question.
Oh my god, guys! Shit!
Going in the mall drunk in the afternoon, bro. You're living life.
Living life to the fullest.
Yeah, living the edgy life.
Okay, I found the bear. Oh my god, we met bears! Oh my god, we met bears, man!
What's this other
Get it? Oh my god, they have Grace, they have Ice Bear, and there's Panda!
What's so dope about We Baby Bears, man? I don't get it.
You gotta watch the cartoon. You don't understand if you don't watch the cartoon, bro.
What the hell, man?
没有钱买嘞，
多少钱
30多块。
Oh my gosh, man! Pay so much for fucking bear.
Dude, you do it if you find someone that love it. Do it for the ones you love.
For me, I used to be more of a patriotic guy. I don't know, like in high school. I don't know, this kind of thing is kind of triggering to me. It's like we're in the same country, we don't really celebrate. We don't celebrate this place as a country. So I don't know, it just feels weird. I don't know. Yeah.
哇，真的很美。
哇，好美啊，好漂亮啊，哦
So high.
好摸啊。Is this the one that you're getting?
No, I'm getting the other one. I'm still thinking about it though. So it's very high spec. Yeah. This one can also turn on, but then the light is not that bright. And then it's running on Windows Precision drivers. Taking you to a new reality. Taking you to a new reality.
How much is this again?
Sorry?
How much is this again?
So it's, without the RAM upgrade, it's 5.1K.
I didn't know that this guy actually knows a lot about tech. Like, you can't really see it
I'm
in
like
him.
geek in heart, y'all. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Quantum physics. Oh my god, guys. Today's the day. Today's the day that I'll bring you home. Oh my god. Brother. This is gonna be my baby. I'm so excited to unbox this.
So we just doing an unboxing just now about, where you can see, about that laptop, this one. and then this guy, he didn't even pay for it, and then we just doing an unboxing
who needs
here.
to pay when you can unbox straight away, right?
Yeah. What?
Logic.
I thought they paid already, and then that's why we're doing all this, no? What the hell, man?
I wish. Oh.
Look at the bag. This is a free gift, man. Looks like a freaking drone bag though.
What freaking drone bag is a tactical bag? We're going to war.
With Predator, yeah, right.
Content war. Ching. Big thing, 3 years.
What project are we on now, brother? You're the one who has the idea.
Project Steamboat. So fun.
有人买要给我们电脑了，别还没有吵我们了，打死了，
什么都是
我们笑话不好笑了。
大小，大小的人。What are we doing?
We'll get some steak, mushrooms.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Are we having like a tea party?
Oh yeah. We're just changing our mushroom now. 要给人做，知道给人做。那不错。
Not that I'm bashing about, I'm saying that our government is not doing their jobs and like the people around is not doing their jobs and like to remind the people that it's Malaysia Day or whatsoever. I'm just saying that me as a Malaysian, I don't feel the hype. I wasn't grown up being patriotic about Malaysia. I wasn't proud of it. Like there's no reason for me to be proud of it. I learned the histories and all that, but it just doesn't make me feel anything, you know. So I don't know whether you feel or not, or is it just me. And I think I have to address this problem because that's just how I felt about like Malaysia Day in general. Well, I don't know what will happen tomorrow. I don't know what's the event. What are they gonna post online? Was there on the streets or whatsoever? But yeah, but well, today seems so quiet. Like there's nothing, absolutely nothing to do with Malaysia Day around my areas. Like I went to Viva, like around the streets. Yeah. Okay, so enough of me ranting. I'm heading over to Keith's now for a small gathering. It's like a party thingy. So yeah. So just finished the potluck. It's the best. Got full tummy. Drink some beers. You can see a little bit red here. So I think we're gonna end the vlog here. We're probably gonna head over to another friend's place like later.
Check out film camera. Check out film camera.
Don't have time for that, bro. Okay, see you, man. Piece of shit.
阿妹，嚇，我冇停我。
我你講啦，我你講啦。
我最近冇Malaysia Day㗎。Let's get lit！
Malaysia Day 明天哈，Malaysia Day 明天哈。